Welcome to the Fluent Step English channel. Today we will learn past simple. Simple, how to use it, make sentences, and avoid common mistakes. Did you say, I go to school yesterday? In English, that's a mistake. You should say, I went to school. Watch your tenses. We use the past simple for finished actions. For example, I watched a movie last night. And they played football. Note the time expressions. Happy learning! Let's look at the past simple positive form. For example, I studied English. Regular verbs just take an ed at the end, but irregular verbs change completely, like these. To form the negative, use did not with the base verb. For example, I didn't watch TV. She didn't go to school. Be careful, don't say, always use didn't go. Look at questions. We use did plus subject plus base. For example, did you study yesterday? Or did he visit his friend? You see, it is that simple. Let's test your knowledge on the past simple tense. Can you fill in all of the blanks? For number 1, it's watched. Number 2 becomes went. And number 3 is play.